how to fix app access error or how to change permission settings for Instagram on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix app access error or permission settings, how you can change it on Instagram or for Instagram on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. You want to head back and you want to head into settings on your device. Once you tap on settings here, you should get an interface like this. Right now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to look for Instagram. You want to locate Instagram here. Now first I'll just scroll down further below here and you can see here I've located Instagram. Now next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on Instagram and you want to open it. Now you can see there allow Instagram access. Now with whichever access error you are having, whether location, photos, local network, microphone or various other options, you can see that you can simply change them by either enabling it, disabling it or enabling it. If you are having error, what you can do is you can first disable it if you have enabled it, and then you can disable it again. However, if you're having permission, if you want to change permission settings, you can change it from here by simply toggling this on or off. So this way you can fix app access error, Instagram app access error or permission settings. You can change it on Instagram on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.